Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchi Tech. So today I have another unboxing for you guys. But before I get into this, I'm sure you can see some of the stuff I have here in front of me. So I have some bumpers and a charging station for the iPhone and the Apple Watch. Alright, but before I unbox these, head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this. So first up, I have the Apple Watch SE that was just released on September 18th, which was yesterday, the day before I'm doing this video. Alright, and I have the Apple Watch Series 5. So this is the SE, the 40mm, and this is the 5 series, the 44mm. As you can see the difference in size right here. Alright, so this is my wife's watch on the right, the SE, and the 5 series in the left. Alright, the 44mm. So as you can see, the emojis tells it all. Alright, so first up we're gonna unbox the biggest one first, which is the charging station. So this doesn't have a brand name, so I'm gonna have to link this in the description from Amazon. So if you want to buy this, it's a pretty good price for this one compared to the others that I see on there. So I'm gonna link this in the description and you can purchase it there. Alright, because it doesn't have a name, it just says 4-in-1 fast charger. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this. Let's see if I could get this plastic off right here. See if I find something laying around here that I can use. Alright, so let's open this. Alright. Alright, so let's throw the garbage away. Alright, let's open this. Alright, so this is all we get in the box. We get the instructions manual right here. Let's put this in the box. So this is what it's gonna look like, guys. Alright, it shows a white station on the box, but it's actually black when you get it inside. So let me put this aside and open this. So it comes with a USB-C cable here, where you have to connect this to the charging station right here, and then it doesn't ship with a power brick, so you're gonna have to get a power brick if you don't have one lying around. So it says attention, must use 9V/2A adapter, which is right here. Okay, so with this you pretty much can have your device. Let me move these stuff out the way for now, and let's look at this. So you can either have this laying down flat on the surface, put your device down like your iPhone, and the watch goes on right here. Gotta open this. So the watch would go on right here like this on the charger, lay flat, or you could raise this up. Alright, has a little kickstand at the back that you stick out. It stands up, you put this right here, and the watch goes right there like that. So pretty decent. It has the slot here where you can put your AirPods to charge right here, and your Apple Pen as well. So it has the Apple Pen compartment right here in the back, as you can see right here, and the slot here for your earpods if you have earpods and you want to charge them on this. So it's a pretty good deal on this, not bad. As I said, I'm gonna link this in the description, so if you want to get it, you could purchase it there. Alright, so that's one. This down. Let's move on to the next one. So let's get this out of the way. Alright, we're gonna do this one by one. So the next box I'm gonna pull up here has the bumpers for the gold Apple Watch SE, the 40 millimeters. So I'm gonna open this box, take a look inside and see what we have here. Alright, let's open this. Alright, so this has two bumpers, as you can see. That's what's in the box. Two bumpers, gold bumpers right here, and it has the screen protector on top as well. Alright, so we're gonna take this out. As you can see, comes with the cleaning cloth and everything inside this pack that you use to clean the watch off before you do the install. Alright, but I should have a microfiber cloth in here that we're just gonna use to wipe it off. Hopefully it has one. Yep, it's right here. So we're gonna just wipe this off and do a quick install of the bumper on this watch. See what it looks like. Alright, so we're gonna open this. Alright, so I'm gonna give this watch screen a good wipe. Make sure it's clean. On the screen here, there's no lens or anything on here. Alright. Alright, so it's dust free, pretty clean, looks pretty shiny from here. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off from the back here and see if we can get this on nice and smooth. So as you can see, the watch face clean, no dust, no lens, no fingerprints, and we're gonna try to get a clean install on this, and voila, there we go. There it is. Looks really nice. So it matches the color of the watch really accurately. Look at this. You can't tell the difference between the bumper and the bezels around the watch differently. It looks the same, so it gives it the same color. So on the screen, there's no bubbles on the screen, as you can see right here. You can still the sensitivity of the touch. So the watch, as you can see, there's no buffering, no stutters when you try to touch the screen. Everything is smooth. Look at that. Alright, so the sensitivity of the screen is not interfered with this screen protector. Alright, so that's the SE, and you can see it comes with two in the pack here, so it's pretty good deal on this as well. Less than $10 and you get two of them. In the stores, I see in the stores you have to spend like $40, and it's not as good because it comes with like a little film, like a flimsy plastic thing that you put on the screen and then you put on the bumper, and it's not as durable. It pretty much starts bubbling up the same day, because I tried that before. So this is a good deal. It comes with a hard plastic, so there's no bubbles or anything on here. So that's it for the SE and the gold bumpers. I'm gonna also link this in the description so you can get it if you want to get it from Amazon. Alright, so let me put this one aside now, and we're gonna get the next one on the list. Alright, so this is how the SE looks with the bumper installed right here. Looks really nice. You can see from the side how it looks. Matches the color of the watch pretty well. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. The next one I'm gonna get, so as you can see, this has two bumpers, but I'm not gonna use these two as yet, so I'm not gonna open this one. But you can see here it's two. We have the red and the blue. Alright, so I have this pack here. This pack has 6, and this is also less than $10 for 6, as you can see right here, these bumpers. Alright, so let me go ahead and open this pack. I'm gonna use, they come with 6 colors. It has gold, blue, A lot of different colors in here. Let's open this. Alright, so here we go. We have the blue one, we have black, we have this. Looks a little, this is the rose gold I'm used to. It looks close to pink. This is pretty much a female color right here. We have the gold. We have, looks like a silver color right here, the stainless steel looking color, and this is silver right here. Alright, so that's the 6 colors. I think I'm gonna go with the blue. Yeah, I like the blue one. Alright, this one also, let me open this and show you guys how it looks. Alright, this. Alright, so you see this one's red, and this is almost the same blue as this one, but it's a little different. As you can see, the one on the right, it's a little light blue, and this is the dark blue on the left. So it's 2 different colors, as you can see, and one's more glossy than the other as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean the watch face, and then install one of these on there. So let me clean this off, and I'm gonna install the dark blue. Alright, so to install this, I pretty much have to take the band off, it seems. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the band. 1, this, so the band is off, and I'm gonna clean this and install the bumper. Alright, so let me go ahead and slip this right over. Alright, got one side in. Let's put over the other side. Let's clean this. We've got a little more fingerprint on here. Alright, so the crown's in. There we go, and that's it. This is what it looks like. Alright, so this is an alternative if you want to have a blue Apple Watch. This looks really nice, looks good on the watch. This is what it looks like with the blue. So this is the one I'm gonna stick with. I really like this blue one here, so I'm gonna keep this on here. Looks really nice. Look at that. Alright, so I think that's about it. That's all I have for you today. That's all the accessories I got. So if I see anything else that looks interesting, I'll definitely get that linked in the description as soon as I have it unboxed on my channel, so you don't miss out on anything. Alright, so this is the end of the video. You can take another look at the SE, and this is the Series 5 as well. Alright, so here it is, Series 5 and Apple Watch SE with the bumpers installed. So gold bumper here and the blue one right here. So I'm gonna link these so you can get them if you want to. Alright, so again, thank you for watching. Please remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when I have another upload. Alright, peace out.